Hello fellow preppers. In today's video, we're diving into a topic that could be a lifeline for you and your family. The 3-day basic prepper emergency survival kit. This isn't just about gathering supplies, it's about preparing for the unexpected, arming yourself with the essentials, and securing peace of mind in a world where tomorrow is always uncertain. Our focus for today is a survival kit designed to sustain an individual for 72 hours. That's 3 full days. From the most basic life-sustaining necessities to tools that could make the difference between staying safe or facing peril, we're going to walk you through everything you need. But before we delve into the must-have items for your survival kit, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us on Prepping for Tomorrow as we embark on this crucial prepping journey together. Water is life. Ensure you have enough water to sustain each person for at least 3 days. That's 1 gallon per day per person. Water is the cornerstone of survival. Its importance cannot be overstated, satisfying thirst, maintaining hygiene, and enabling food preparation. During emergencies, access to clean water might be compromised. Therefore, having this crucial supply in your kit is non-negotiable. So, stock up smartly, remembering that water isn't just for drinking, but also for hygiene and cooking. Food is your fuel for survival. Pack a 3-day supply of non-perishable items that are easy to prepare and provide essential nutrients. Consider including canned goods, granola bars, dried fruits, and nuts. Items like instant noodles and ready-to-eat meals can be a lifesaver when cooking isn't an option. Don't forget about energy-dense foods like peanut butter or trail mix, which can keep you going during strenuous situations. Remember, variety is key to maintaining morale and health. Ensure your food items are high in protein and long-lasting. Staying warm is vital. Pack extra clothing, blankets, and a sleeping bag to protect against the elements. The right clothing can make all the difference when you're out there, braving the cold, the wind, or the rain. Think layers, think durable, think comfort. Your clothing should be versatile and suited for all types of weather conditions. Don't forget your shelter. A simple plastic sheet and duct tape can serve as a makeshift shelter, keeping you dry and shielded from the wind. It might seem rudimentary, but in an emergency, this could be your saving grace. Next, let's talk warmth. Candles, waterproof matches, and fire starters are crucial. Not only can they provide heat and light, but they can also be used to cook food and purify water. Remember, you can't predict the weather, so always prepare for the worst. Prioritize your health. Include a supply of essential medications, including any prescription medications needed by you or your family members. The importance of medicine in a survival situation cannot be overstated. Whether it's a minor cut that needs disinfecting or a medical condition that requires daily medication, having a well-stocked medicine supply can make a major difference in your well-being during emergencies. Remember, your medicine stash should go beyond just band-aids and painkillers. Think antibacterial ointments, antihistamines, and any chronic condition medications. Don't forget about the health needs of your family members too. If someone in your family has a specific medical condition, ensure you have their medicines in your kit. Now let's talk about the first aid kit. This is your go-to for treating minor injuries and preventing infections. Your kit should include items like bandages, tweezers, gloves, and a first aid manual. In short, a comprehensive first aid kit is a non-negotiable in your survival kit. Tools are your companions for survival. A small saw, knife, and axe can be invaluable in various situations. These items are not just for convenience, but they could very well be the difference between peril and survival. A sturdy knife, for instance, is a multi-purpose tool that can be used for cutting, carving, food preparation, and even defense if need be. An axe, on the other hand, can be used for chopping wood for fire or building a shelter, while a saw can aid in more precise cutting tasks. But your tools aren't limited to just these. In the world of prepping, information is as vital as any physical tool. That's where items like a hand crank radio come in. With this, you can stay informed about the situation around you, receiving crucial updates and instructions. It's especially useful because it doesn't rely on electricity, a few turns of the crank, and you're connected. Visibility too is key to survival. A reliable flashlight with extra batteries ensures you're never left in the dark, literally and figuratively. It can help you navigate unfamiliar terrain, signal for help, or simply provide comfort in the dark. Plus, it's always wise to pack a few candles. Not only do they provide light, but they can also provide warmth and can be used to start a fire. Speaking of fire, don't forget to include waterproof matches and a fire starter in your kit. Fire is a survival essential, providing heat, a way to cook food, and a signal for help. With these items you can start a fire even in damp conditions. Last but certainly not least, a manual can opener is an indispensable tool. It ensures you can access your non-perishable food items without any trouble. It's a simple tool, but in a survival situation it can make all the difference. Remember, your tools and equipment are there to make your survival easier and safer. They are your lifeline, your defense, your means of staying informed, and your comfort in the dark. So choose wisely and equip yourself for any situation that might come your way. Maintain good hygiene even in challenging conditions. Oral hygiene items are often overlooked but crucial. In a survival situation, protecting your health extends beyond just food, water, and warmth. It also includes oral care. A toothbrush, toothpaste, dental floss. These are items that can help prevent painful dental issues that could arise when professional medical help isn't within easy reach. Now, let's talk about money and tradable goods. In a crisis, normal commerce may be disrupted. Having a stash of cash or items that could be bartered can be a lifesaver. Think about small, valuable items like precious metals or even cigarettes that others might need. Lastly, don't forget your important documents. Your identification, passport, copies of insurance policies, and other key paperwork should be kept in a waterproof container. These items can help you prove who you are, reclaim your property, or receive aid in a post-disaster scenario. In times of crisis, having some form of currency or tradable goods can be valuable. With your 3-day basic prepper emergency survival kit in tow, you've taken a crucial step towards preparedness. You've not only equipped yourself with the tools to survive, but also armed yourself with the knowledge necessary to navigate through challenging times. Remember, survival isn't just about the physical items you carry with you, it's about the mental resilience you cultivate within yourself. Let's quickly recap what we've covered today. We started with the most basic of human needs, water, ensuring you have enough to sustain each person for at least 3 days. We then moved on to food, highlighting the importance of non-perishable items that are easy to prepare and provide essential nutrients. From there, we discussed the importance of staying warm and protected against the elements, with extra clothing, blankets, and a sleeping bag. We talked about the vital role of medicine and a comprehensive first aid kit, making sure you have all the necessary medications for you and your loved ones. We also emphasized the importance of staying informed during emergencies, hence the need for a hand crank or CB radio. And let's not forget the handy tools like a small saw, knife, and axe, which can be invaluable in various situations. We addressed the need for personal items, from oral hygiene products to important documents. Lastly, we touched on the importance of having some form of currency or tradable goods in times of crisis. Each item in your survival kit has a purpose, and together, they form a comprehensive package that could very well save your life and the lives of your loved ones. Being a prepper isn't about living in fear of what might happen. It's about being ready to face whatever comes your way. It's about being proactive rather than reactive. And it's about taking control of your own survival. So, as we wrap up this discussion on the 3-day basic prepper emergency survival kit, remember this: the key to survival is preparedness. Equip yourself, educate yourself, and most importantly, empower yourself. I'll catch you on the next one. Stay prepared.